Good day everyone. I am Elton John T. Corpus. I am an elected Barangay Kagawad from Barangay 110, Zone 9, District 1 in Tondo, Manila. And I am a first-time public servant who was elected last November or last October 2023. I am a first-time Kagawad, and the ABG helped me a lot to improve my performance as a first-time Kagawad by improving or enhancing my skills and knowledge in leadership and performing my duties in our community. One thing that I really appreciate about ABG, it taught us, the barangay officials, on how to professionalize our performance in our community. Right after our graduation, I was able to write or drafted 7 resolutions and 2 barangay ordinances. Lastly, I would like to encourage our fellow barangay officials and the other potential barangay officials in the future to undergo training of associate in barangay governance here at the Universidad de Manila. If it helped us, it will also help you. Thank you and more power.
Universidad de Manila, uplifting lives through quality education.